The Hpoouo Portable Stick Welder delivers compact welding capability through 200 amp output powered by advanced IGBT inverter technology within Super Mini 7.8-inch by 3.9-inch package. This lightweight portable welder generates approximately 20 to 200 ampere adjustable output, enabling welding of cast iron, mild steel, and sheet metal materials ranging from 0.06 to 0.2-inch thickness. The advanced IGBT inverter technology combined with built-in overheating, overcurrent, and overvoltage protection ensures reliable performance and user safety throughout intensive welding operations. The hot start functionality enables confident arc initiation, while anti-stick technology prevents electrode adhesion during contact. We share by links in description box. The compact form factor combined with lightweight construction enables comfortable carrying through work sites and ladder climbs, accommodating professional electricians and field technicians. The straightforward 6-knob dial control provides intuitive adjustment without complex programming requirements. The comprehensive accessory package, including electrode holder, ground clamp, 2 welding gloves, genuine chipping hammer, and filler electrodes, enables immediate operational readiness. The excellent built-in safety protections guard against voltage fluctuations and excessive current, preventing equipment and user damage. The 110V single-phase operation integrates seamlessly with standard household electrical systems. The reliable performance across diverse welding tasks demonstrates versatile capability. The outstanding value, combining compact portability, 200 amp output, complete accessories, built-in safety protections, and accessible pricing, establishes this welder as exceptional choice for field professionals and hobbyist welders prioritizing portability.